Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and we're standing aboard a like-new 2023 Boston Whaler 28 Dauntless. Come and take a walk with me through the boat. We'll show you some of its features. As you enter this redesigned 28 in the last couple of model years, you'll notice a lot of seating. So bench seating in the back. This captain's helm chair actually folds backward in reverse to create a seat-to-seat layout. Extremely comfortable. As we come to the helm, we have dual screen Simrads, a beautiful layout here. Very, very easy to operate this vessel. Induction charger on the top and a nice windshield vent. Most boats of this size will have some kind of cutoff window for that airflow, but this still has a vent, making it really easy to operate in windy conditions. You do have a stand-up shower or a stand-up head down below, pump out, and then we come to the bow. Massive loungers up here. At least 1, 2, 3, 4 with a filler 5-person and recliner lounger chases in the front of the boat. Perfect boat for the sandbar. As we come to this portside gunnel, you'll notice this big swim platform here on the side. Put that down, you're at water level, you have another ladder to board the boat, but this is absolutely phenomenal in about 1.5 feet of water to get this boat on top of. Powered by the twin 225s, this boat also has a power pole and an automatic anchor windlass to make it easy on the water. This is Ian Stevenson. This has been the video walkthrough of the 2023 280 Dauntless. And for more information, call us at MarineMax Sarasota.